How to get Aviator Predictor app activation code. Now, there are tons or multiple tutorial videos out there providing you information where you can find the code even from GitHub. But hey, so you do not actually need to do anything on getting the activation code. As long as you have successfully registered and signed up for Aviator Predictor app from your mobile phone, you should be having or be receiving the activation code from the email address associated with your Aviator Predictor account. So if you have not yet received that specific email upon 100% completion of the registration, you can just go ahead and try to double check from your junk or spam folders. So it is usually located between those two options in there. You just have to double check and refresh the email address that you have used from your account. And that's it. Again, you do not need to do anything. It will be sent out to your email address. And that's how you find the activation code on Aviator Predictor app.